What's up, real quick, okay? Real quick video. Logged into my web wealth system back office and I want to show you 768 bucks, okay? Not a whole bunch of money, but if you think about you're making this online, you're not at a 9-to-5 job, no one's necessarily breathing down your neck or you're being told what to do, what to wear, how to act, when to eat, all that kind of stuff. It's pretty freaking cool if you ask me. And I wanted this to be a video to not only kind of inspire some people, but I want you guys to mark this video and remember a 768 because you're going to see this number greatly increase for me. And I want everybody, so I'm kind of putting this out here for a couple reasons, right? I want you to see my progress, and I want some people to see that they can get this same money. How does it sound, right? If I told you, how does it sound to make an extra 700 bucks a month? And it's not a whole bunch of money, right? But I know people who would love to even just have 500 bucks extra on the month that they could have wiggle room with, or play money or whatever, whatever. And 1,000 bucks a month extra, okay, on whatever you're doing. It may not be enough for people to just live off of, but if you can make that extra with whatever you're doing and then build, because what's the cool thing about the internet stuff, guys, you got to hear this, is the ability to keep rising at a pretty fast pace. You go get a job, yes, you can, rise up in the company, but it usually takes so long to do that, unless, I don't know. But the cool thing about the online stuff, guys, is that the level you get at, you can increase it. However much money, if you want to come online and make chump change, you're looking to make 10 bucks a day, you can do that. If you want to make $10,000 a week, you can do that. And I know that's way over some people's heads, but that's actually possible. And that's what I love about the internet, okay, is you can upscale, you can scale. Okay, everything is scalable. You may start with zero with something, you're going to increase. And if you're consistent with your work and looking at training and constantly applying yourself, you're going to make more money. One of the problems is people just fall for too good to be true systems. So here's it. I wanted you to see that because you're going to see that number increase. I'm going to give you guys progress reports basic on Web Wealth System. There's a link in my video description or in the comment section for you to hurry up and get into Web Wealth. It's not free. It's not expensive. No monthly fees or anything like that. Check it out. I'm telling you guys need to get into this because you're going to ride a wave, okay, that a lot of people are going to be late to catch. Okay, so anyways, click that link and sign up. Let's go and get this money.